Nano Banana Pro is here. Native 4K, perfect text, real-time search, and character consistency. This changes everything. In this video, you will learn why this update is a total game changer. Over to you, Sam.
Whether you are a content creator, a graphic designer, or even a teacher or architect, Nano Banana Pro is truly an incredible aid that will help you translate your concepts, your creations, or even work as a training aid for you. In this video, I will be showing you practical uses of Nano Banana Pro, but first, let's take a look at the new capability and what it really can deliver. Let us begin by examining the textual capabilities of Nano Banana Pro. I will be providing you with all the prompts used in this video in a Google document linked in the show notes below. First, let's take a look at this particular example here. And as you can see in this example, I have used the text in different fonts and placed it on different type of materials. So for example, here, precision, clarity. In this example here, we have the font engraved on a piece of wood. And you can see the glowing text here. But not only that, but you can actually use different languages. And Nano Banana was insanely accurate. In English, text rendering evaluation zone; in Arabic, منطقة اختبار عرض النصوص; in Japanese and French. So you have all the textual capabilities now at your fingertips, and this really unleashes the power to create some very useful aids and graphics to help visualize your concepts. In the second practical example that we're going to take a look at today is especially useful for teachers. And in this example here, this is a learning aid for addition. It helps first graders understand the concept of adding numbers. Notice the use of the apples, the different colors, the layout of each one of these processes here to arrive at the final result. A similar example goes for somebody who's trying to teach logo design, for example. And you can see here that this follows the design thinking process where you research and brainstorm, you sketch the logo and the concept, digital design refinement, then the final version. Notice how the aids and the pictures correspond to the actual text that's written underneath. And the text is simply outstanding. The visual aids themselves are extremely well done. Because Nano Banana Pro is real world aware, you are now able to create very realistic explainers, travel guides. In this example, you can see that I have created an aerial view of New York City. If you notice that the call out themselves weren't really looking that good, and you can see, for example, here, Statue of Liberty, the line here doesn't really point exactly at the Statue of Liberty. There's a little bit of a emptiness there. So what I've asked it to do is I said, enhance the call out with a circle at the touch point with the POI and make it look modern. And this is the result. Look at this. This is really next level. It created the call outs in a very professional and modern design. And you can see the little circles. This is what we're accustomed to seeing again on all the POIs. And again, notice the exact location with the call out. For example, Central Park here, and it's pointing at it. And then you have the different buildings, Times Square, Grand Central Terminal, and so on and so forth. Another practical example of real world or real search awareness is this example here. In this example, I have asked Nano Banana to create a split screen image, and on the right side, a piece of cooked grilled chicken. On the left side, place an information card containing nutritional facts about the piece of chicken. And of course, aspect ratio 16:9, 4K resolution. Look at the result. In the previous examples that I did with Nano Banana, I had serious problems with getting the right numbers there because I had to actually manually type the text to give it the correct information. But now it really goes and searches Google for the information and places the data on your image exactly as it is in real life. An architect would be interested in this example. As you can see, excruciating amount of details in this particular architectural detail test. Notice the fireplace there in the distance inside this modern home, and the mist here, the sun. I think you can see the sun better now. You can see the sun rays. It's just really an incredibly detailed image of this imagined modern home. You can also see the flowers there on the water, and the reflection of the house on the water is insanely accurate. Let us take a look at this example of a YouTube thumbnail that was created only using Nano Banana Pro and a prompt. And the first thing you'll notice that this is a visually very pleasing thumbnail. It is designed very well. It has the curiosity element with the banana floating there and the little car on something that looks like a photocopier. But you can see also real-time search, AI performance, so things that are related, native 4K resolution. So the properties and attributes of Nano Banana already integrated here, creating some detail there and eliciting curiosity. But you can also notice that it has followed the recommendations from YouTube for thumbnail design. You can see the clear text, power unleashed, and you can see the contrast in size between the main title and the smaller title here saying Nano Banana Pro. Not a very cluttered thumbnail, definitely eye-catching. So again, this was created in a matter of seconds. And the power really lies in how you prompt for a Nano Banana. Whether you are a creator, a designer, an architect, a teacher, there's definitely something there for you. And it really is an incredible aid that helps you imagine your ideas in the digital world. This brings us to the conclusion of this video. I hope that you have found it useful. If you have any questions, please do post them in the comment section below. Until next time, please take care of yourselves and each other, and we'll see you all very soon. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye for now.